Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, May 6, 2014, and the U.S. stock market is closed. CNN called it Tumble Tuesday, and Tumble Tuesday it was. The Dow fell 129 points today. God, I just don't know what to do about this. Honest to Pete, I have not seen anything like this. We are just getting killed day after day after day, and today it just really added insult to injury. We closed out over $12,000 in losing trades. We had, over $3,000 positive yesterday. Everything that was positive yesterday went basically deeply negative. And then we're holding negative over $4,000 in open trade equity. I mean, it's just horrible. Absolutely nothing seems to be working. And what's frustrating to me is we're not in a bear market, guys. This is not a bear market. The Dow is at all-time highs a couple days ago, and it's like the market keeps coming up and bumping its head on the ceiling. It's so high. But because it's so high, nobody wants to hold long positions. It's weird. I mean, in 20, 25 years of trading, I haven't seen anything like this. And I'm trying to study it and figure out, what's the solution to this? I even considered today turning the whole system into a day trading system for a while till we figure out what's going on. Because if we closed out everything at the end of the day, we wouldn't keep getting killed like we did today. Shorting the market, that isn't going to work. If you'd been shorting yesterday, you would have been killed. And you would have made some money today, but who knows what's going to happen tomorrow? It's just kind of like the market is in this perpetual yin and yang mode where it goes up and then goes down and then goes up and goes down and will not seem to establish direction, except that it is making along the way new market highs, which is just crazy. What we really need is this market to really sell off and have a good, honest correction. Dow goes down 800 points or something like that, and really scares the hell out of everybody. That would be really good for us. But what's happening is not good for us. It just keeps bouncing back and forth at these very high levels, and we're getting killed. Anyway, let's take a look at the chart. Okay, we're looking at the Dow here, and if the birds will shut up a minute, I'll try to tell you what's happened today. You can see what happened. Yesterday we had this big spike down, basically bounced off our second red line, came up, make a nice recovery, looked really good to me, then down it goes again, Tumble Tuesday, and it just keeps going down, and stops right at that red line. I'm getting superstitious about these red lines now. They seem to have some kind of significance, but I can't figure out how to use them to make money, honestly. We're just having our trouble. As I say, I would really like to see this market tank very deep, drop down below 16,000 at least, and scare some people out of this market. It's not making a lot of sense to me right now. I'll just show you a couple charts today. I'll show you the one and only trade that was halfway decent. This was in 3D systems, and we jumped into this right after the open, and it took off very nicely, and then it started to fade, and then it did this crazy thing. This last bar, look at that, it came up there, and we're holding $2,000 in open trade in 3D systems, but we're talking about 10 trades or so today, and this was the only thing that looks any good at all, and God knows what's going to happen to it tomorrow. I mean, we had trades yesterday that looked real good, and they went to hell. I mean, I'll show you what is more typical of what's happening to us here. This is in INSY, INSY, and we got into this big run up at the beginning of the day, and we no longer got into this, but it immediately started to fade and down. So all that money that we made in 3D systems, we gave back in this market alone, and then we had over half a dozen other ones that were just as bad, and so obviously we're not doing well. Anyway, that's the way it went on Tumble Tuesday. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.